So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress website in 3 easy steps. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan and my goal is you to have an online income and eventually a full-time income and quit your job. And if you see my YouTube page, I create a lot of WordPress tutorial plugin reviews and I also help people create an online business. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So it takes only 3 simple steps to install a WordPress website. The first thing is you need a domain and a hosting. You need to install WordPress, and then the last one is install a theme to make it look professional. And don't worry about this, guys. These 3 simple steps, we would be able to make a website within 5 minutes. Yes, you're right, just 5 minutes. So let's get started. So all you have to do is, the first thing is you need a web hosting and a domain, and for me I would highly suggest Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. They give you a free domain, free SSL. So with one stone you're killing 2 birds. So they give you a free domain, free SSL, and they have a 30-day money back guarantee as well. So you could, just buy it, and if you're not satisfied you could get the money back. But trust me, for sure you would love it, because I'm using it for almost a year and I love it. So all you have to do is get started. You need to purchase it, so I'm not going to go through all that. It's very simple. Put in your, I would always suggest go for 12 months. So I would suggest Choice Plus, and I have a discount, so you would get it for something like that, $6. So select and then select your domain. I'm not going to select my domain, just put your domain and then sign up. So you need to put your credit card details and everything, which I'm not going to do right now. And I would suggest highly that you did get this one, and then I would select 12 months. Usually comes up to around $107, and that's it. That's fine. So you're spending $100. Some people might think it's a lot, but then for me it's an investment, where you get the security, you get fast web hosting. If you want to do something, try to do it right rather than cheap. So that's how it is. Sign up, everything. Once that's done, then come back to Bluehost, click on login. Once you log in, this is your dashboard, Bluehost dashboard. So as you could see, this is my site, which has already been created, but I would create a new site. So just click on my sites, create a site, put your site name. So let's say I'm gonna put 3 simple steps. Okay, 3, or just write site name would be make money, a smart way to make money. So this is my website tagline, and this is my website name. So you could put your name, anything. That's it, and just click next. Okay, you don't have to put this thing, because currently I have a website already on yavarkhan.com and I don't want to install a new website. So I'm just creating an extra directory, but you don't have to do that. And just make myself small, click next. And congratulations guys, you all have installed your WordPress website. Now all you have to do is click on login to WordPress. So within few seconds you would be able to log into your WordPress website. So a big pat on your back. This is your website right now. If you go and visit site, so click over here on the top to visit your site, make money. This is your website name, visit site. So this is how your website looks right now. There are few important things which we need to make is install a theme, but before that we are going to click on settings and general. So make sure your site title has your keyword in it, and even your tagline, because this is how people will start discovering you. And the next thing for SEO is, make sure from plain you need to do post name. The reason for that is it helps Google search your website, and it's really beneficial for SEO. So just post name and save changes. Once that's done, now all we have to do is install a theme. So there are a lot of themes which you could choose from. So if you just go and click, just make myself Okay, so all you have to do is appearance themes, click over here and then click on add new theme. Just click over here. Once you do that, just make myself small. So there are a lot of themes you could see over here. If e-commerce theme, blogging theme, but the best theme which I suggest is Astra. Click over here. It's a free theme and there are add-ons, so which you want if you could add it later on, but I would always suggest in the beginning, try for the basic, try for the free. Once you start making money, then you can invest. So this is how our website would look. So just click on install. It's installed and click on activate. So once that's done, so this is how your website looks. And if you want to make a new blog, all you have to do is new post. So once you are into new post, so you can add the title. This is your description. I'm just gonna write anything, and it's very simple and easy to use, and it's very simple. You can add the feature image. I'm just going to publish, and it's very simple. Again, let's say you want to add something else, just click enter. You can add images, you can add anything you want. Let's add some images, media library. There's nothing in it. You can add any image you want, so I'm just going to upload some image. Let's say this one. Update. Once this is done, I can just click on view post from here, okay, or preview. So as you could see right now, make money. So this is my title. Click over here and then just update, preview. So this is how it looks. If you want to add a featured image, come over here, add a featured image. And make sure you put your keyword over here. So as you could see, my website, my image already has the keyword. Just copy and paste it, set an update, click on make money. So this is how your title will look, your image would look. So that's it. I just want to keep this video short, and so this is how you can create a website, very simple and easy. So if you want to learn more about it, like, you know, in much detail, put the navigation and everything, and if you want to make a website just like this one or much more professional, I have a free training on step by step on how you could create a WordPress website professionally. It's a free course. You could go and check it out. The link would be down below, as well as you could find me on my website, which is yavarkhan.com. So that's it for today's video, and if you really like the video, please consider subscribing, and I would see you in the next video.